И с помощью счетов.
Это просто взаимно выгодное отношение, уверяю тебя.
Нам надо немедленно проработать информацию, полученную от пленного. Поручите это мне.
Нет, ты мне нужен здесь. Дивиде Тимпе. Раз они нашли Милену, они могут найти нас. Это еще известно, я безвреден.
Если они придут, то мы их встретим.
Я хочу, чтобы все знали, что мы ни перед кем не остановимся. Мужчины они, женщины или дети. Ясно?
Предельно ясно.
Если разведданные от нашего друга Shadow подтвердятся, ты первая в этом. А если нет? Убей его, блядь!
We broke Romanova. How?
Enhanced financial interrogation.
Shepard's intel paid off.
It's our intel now.
What do we have that's actionable?
One of Romanova's many shell companies purchased an abandoned apartment complex in St. Petersburg for the Coney Group.
When?
Recently. Probably a Coney outpost. That'd be my bet, Captain.
I located the building. Recent SAT imagery shows a recovery balloon on the roof.
Only good reason for that is quick removal of something you don't want found. Or someone.
The complex is a maze.
Guys will sweep from the bottom up. I'll overwatch the rooftop with fire support.
How do we extract?
Helo's too risky. You boys catch anything worth bringing home? Nick will pull you out via fixed wing.
The balloon.
Skyhook.
If Makarov's there. Get him, Bravo.
6 to watch, your drone is up. You should have visual.
Eyes on, John.
Got multiple Coney troops on the roof of the north building. No sign of Makarov.
Who's our boy holding court?
He appears to be in charge.
I'll run it down. See if we can identify him.
Copy. Gaz, you in position?
Check. Let's see who and what we find here. Do not leave empty-handed. Watch her out.
Affirmative. Good to go.
Guys, press up. Let me know you're at the elevator shaft.
Rush. On the move.
Take advantage of any ascenders you find. It'll save you some time.
Bravo. Got a hit on our HVI. Name's Andrei Nolan. Goes back to the inner circle days with Makarov. High up the Coney food chain.
Rouge. Guys, we snatch and grab Nolan. Start working your way up to the roof. Guys, you poked the bear, Coney's coming in. Guys, you got hostiles on the stairs.
Тимур, ты на виду, боец, уходи!
Moving up to the 6th floor.
Halfway there, Gaz.
The Coney cell.
All right, Cat, you got this going.
Внимание! Всем подразделениям!
Я тебя вижу!
Nolan's alerted his team. They know you're coming.
Так точно. Обнаружено!
Сергей! Бегом в укрытие, боец! Здесь противник! Дима! Открыть огонь! Противник скрылся! Удалось зацепить врага! Я пошел!
У нас есть потери!
Вижу цель! Не вижу! Вали их всех! Я
Наткнулся на врага! Союзник убит! Атакуйте!
Цель укрывается!
Мимо! Мы несем большие потери!
I'm on level 6 now.
You're halfway there, Gaz.
Got an ascender rope!
That'll save you a hike.
Moving to the 11th floor.
Roger.
Appreciate the cover, boss.
Guys, you're almost to the roof. Expect heavy resistance. Keep watch for claymores out there.
Кидаю осколочную!
Copy. Coming your way now, guys. Light up everything that moves, but we take Nolan alive.
Check. Eyes on Nolan. Be advised, target is heavily armored, Cap.
Check. Shoot to incapacity. Do not kill this bastard.
You're a buzzkill, sir.
Watch your Bravo. Be advised, radar's picking up enemy helos incoming to your location.
Copy that. How's this gonna move up there?
Got eyes on Dre Nolan, Makarov's number 2. He's down.
Guys, move to secure. If he's still alive, he's still dangerous.
There he is. Kill me. I won't help you.
That's what they all say.
Пошел ты нахуй. Пошли вы все нахуй, блядь.
I can see his mouth moving from here. Set him up. Guys, we've got enemy helos converging on the roof.
Bravo to Watcher. Target secure. We're Oscar Mike for extract.
Copy that. Yankee inbound 2 mics. Prep for Skyhook.
Copy.
Let's hope we got enough mags to hold them off until Nick gets here.
They really want their boss back.
I can't have it. Get Nolan hooked into the line and help me clear the area. Garrick, hook Nolan in. Hook in, Sergeant. Let's go. More helos inbound. Keep our HVI secure.
Skyhook 2 clicks out. Stay near the exit point. Skyhook imminent. Bravo. Put yourself in.
Там кто-то с дробовиком.
Yankee on approach.
Мы потеряли бойца. Меня ранили.
This is Yankee. Almost at your location. Yankee on approach.
Дробовик!
This is Yankee. Almost at your location.
Цель держи.
Yankee on approach.
Strap yourself to the target. We are out of time.
Skyhook inbound. Make sure you're hooked into that line. Yankee on approach.
Get to the exfil and hook into the target.
We're set, sir.
You're well done, Sergeant. Hang tight.
What's the state of play with Nolan?
He's less conversational than he was.
More of the silent type now.
They're at war with the world, that's for sure.
He's got blind faith in Makarov.
Makarov needs him. Been contacting him non-stop. He knows something's wrong.
You intercepted their comms?
Affirmative. Nolan got quiet, but his radio and phone speak volumes.
What do we know?
They're delivering someone or something to an abandoned Soviet prison complex.
Where?
Siberia.
When?
Tomorrow.
This is our shot at Makarov.
Well, no guarantees he's there.
I'll take that chance.
I knew you would. Nick can get you in and out.
I want everyone on this, including Farah. Next to Ghost, he's the best sniper I know.
You can pick her up on the way. I'll relay.
One needs C4 and dry gear.
We're getting wet.
So is Makarov.
Watcher to 07, give me a sit rep.
07 in position with Kilo. Bravo's in the water.
Copy. Where's our incoming?